Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 1st, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, if you've been following along with my videos, you know I've been saying for almost a week, probably at least since last week, that I think the 50 to 61% is a likely target for a possible ABC. Definitely looks like it's possibly playing out. Looks like 5 waves up, looks like 3 waves down. Now we have what possibly is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside for a wave C. Now, just because you're at a fib level and just because it looks like a complete pattern doesn't mean that you just go short. If you go short now, what's likely to happen is it just keeps on going up and you end up losing. If you drop down to a little bit of a shorter time frame, I bet maybe the 15-minute or so, you can observe to see if it makes that double top break a structure. If it happens at this Fibonacci level, then definitely take it as a short. Possibly could be the end of an ABC correction and continuation of the downtrend. If it doesn't and it pops out to the 61%, then do the exact same thing. Drop down to a shorter time frame when it gets to here and look for that 3, 4, 5 shape break of structure. If it never happens at a Fibonacci level, then there's no reason to go short, and you can just hold on to your longs and possibly even continue to look for more longs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.